Milagros Magsaysay.
Thank you, Madam Chair. I would like to, the budget is well explained by the Secretary, and I would like to manifest my full support for the budget of the SWD. I just want to have some suggestions, Mr. Secretary, regarding the social pension of indigents. If we can make it quarterly, and I hope it would be simultaneously. Kasi yung iba nakakatanggap na, yung iba hindi pa, no? Kung minsan 6 months, ganon, bago nila matanggap. So, can we make it quarterly and please make it simultaneously para lahat na lang makatanggap kasi yung iba nakakatanggap, yung iba hindi. And also, yung sa centenarian, yung may 102 na sumulat sa akin, hindi pa daw natatanggap. So, siguro baka pwede nating bawas-bawasan yung mga requirements, make it easier for the centenarian to get the 100. Saka yung iba, sasabihin nila wala daw pondo. Di ba, yearly naman pinopondohan natin yon, di ba? Sinasabi daw walang pondo. So, hindi nila natatanggap yung centenarian na 100, no? Tapos yung sa home for the senior citizens, kung pwede po siguro magdagdag kayo ng pondo para gumanda-ganda naman yung to make it more comfortable for them, no? And also one thing, because I talked to the Secretary of Budget, at sabi ko to put funds for Senior Citizen Center because in 9994 the government is mandated to put up senior citizens in all municipalities. Pero hindi po nasusunod yon. So ang sabi sa akin na budget, kausapin ko daw ang SWD. So baka naman pwedeng mag-ano ka ng for senior citizen center sa iyo, idagdag mo na lang sa budget para naman lahat ng mga wala pang senior citizen centers ay magkaroon. Thank you.
Respond to that in a reverse manner. First of all, we did submit infrastructure request, pero katulad na sabi namin, hindi ho kami nabigyan ng malaking pondo para sa infrastruktura. Hangarin din namin na magkaroon ng mga sapat na mga care facilities para sa ating mga vulnerabling mga mamamayan.
Yes.
So unfortunately, wala ho doon sa budget allocation ho namin na hiningi. Hindi kami nabigyan. Kung mamarapati ng Kongreso, baka matulungan ho kaming dagdagan.
Yes,
pangalawa ho, makipag-ugnayan po yung office ni Undersecretary Romualdez tungkol dun sa kaso ng mga 100 plus na lumagpas na maaaring kulang sa requirements. At dahil current year pa yan, kami na ho ang susugpo dyan sa problema na yan. Makikipag-ugnayan ho kami sa inyo para makuha namin yung detalye na yan.
Okay.
Pangatlo, yung paatras ho kasi yung nabanggit ho kanina, yung mode of payment, we're pleased to inform you po that it's now done on a quarterly by monthly system. So, hindi na ho siya quarterly.
Yes.
Sorry, hindi na siya semestral. Quarterly and bi-monthly na siya. In fact, we're already studying na, but it's still being studied kasi yung control mechanism, yearly, ibigay na siya buo para naka-obligate na kami, then we just monitor the LGUs, pero it can be a bit dangerous kasi nga, yung liquidation niya kung may pumanaw or moving target ho to. So, we're right now sticking to quarterly and bi-monthly. So, hindi na ho siya semestral.
Okay, thank you very much. Kaya lang marami pa rin kasing nagre-reklamo na hindi pa daw nila natatanggap yung social pension nila.
Madam, we've started it, kailan na natin sinurge? Just fairly recently. Ma'am, baka hindi kaya ho yung nagre-reklamo ay yung mga nasa waitlist na
Hindi.
unfunded?
Hindi, yung mga tumatanggap na, especially in Quezon.
We'll look into it, ma'am. We'll look into it, ma'am.